Dear students, in this video I am going to derive some trigonometric results using vector method. In that first result, prove by vector method cos alpha plus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. This is the result we are going to prove by vector method. This result is the trigonometric result. For that, you consider this diagram. O is the origin, OX and OY are the coordinate axis. You know the vector acting along the y-axis is J vector and the vector acting along the x-axis is I vector, unit vector. I and J are the unit vectors acting along OX, OY respectively. Now you consider with respect to the origin O, OA is vector J and OB is vector B, and which are unit vectors. We are considering these two vectors OA and OB as unit vectors, and they make angle alpha and beta with the coordinate axis, positive direction of x-axis, alpha and beta. OA makes angle alpha with the x-axis and OB makes an angle beta with the x-axis. OA and OB are the unit vectors and make angles alpha and beta with the positive direction of x-axis respectively. Okay, and angle AOB is alpha plus beta. Sum of these angle AOB is AOX and BOX. Sum of AOX and BOX is alpha plus beta. Now, the vector OA equal to OL plus LM, and AL and BM are the perpendiculars drawn from A and B to the x-axis. AL and BM are the perpendiculars AL and BM are the perpendiculars drawn from A and B to the x-axis. Now, vector OA equal to OL vector by triangle law. OA vector equal to OL vector plus LA vector. Vector OA is equal to OL plus LA. OA is A vector. Okay. OL is adjacent side of angle alpha. Therefore, cos alpha into adjacent side is x-axis. Therefore, I in the direction of x-axis will be like that. So, OL is cos alpha into I, and LA is the vector parallel to the vector J, but in the opposite direction, negative direction of J. Therefore, this is opposite side of angle alpha. Therefore, this is minus sin alpha into J. Why it is minus sign? Because J is minus in the direction of LG. So this is A vector. Similarly, OB vector equal to OM plus MB. OM vector plus MB vector. OB vector is OM vector plus MB vector. OM is adjacent side of angle beta in the direction of x. Therefore, OM is cos beta into I plus MB is parallel to positive direction of J, and also this opposite side of angle B in the triangle, right angle triangle. Therefore, this is BM is sin beta into J, because sin beta into J. This is positive direction of J. Therefore, plus this is negative direction of J. Therefore, K divided minus sin alpha. So this is OB, it's B vector. Okay. Now OA dot OB, OA vector dot OB vector equal to, that is nothing but A dot B. A dot B vector equal to mod A into mod B into cos of angle between OA and OB is alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta. You know, mod of A and mod of B are unit vectors because their models are 1. A and B are unit vectors, therefore mod A is 1 and mod B is also 1. This is cos alpha plus beta. So A dot B is just cos alpha plus beta. A dot B is cos alpha plus beta. You consider this is 1. That is left hand side otherwise. Cos alpha plus beta. LHS of the result. For right hand side again A dot B is again A dot B equal to, you know, A cos alpha into I minus sin alpha into J dot B is cos beta into I, A is cos alpha into I minus sin alpha into J, otherwise and P is cos beta into I plus sin beta into J. By taking dot product, I dot I is 1, you get cos alpha into cos beta, I dot I is 1, you get cos alpha cos beta, and J dot J is 1, minus into plus minus, sin alpha into sin beta. Sin alpha into sin beta. Okay, so this is right hand side, the same A dot B. This is RHS. So left LHS is A dot B is cos alpha plus beta, right hand side is cos alpha beta minus sin alpha beta, right hand side of the result. Therefore, cos alpha plus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Therefore, the result is derived by vector method. This is the result. Cos alpha plus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is the required result. Okay. The next trigonometric result is cos alpha minus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. It should be derived by vector method. For this, you consider this diagram. O is the origin, OX and OY are the coordinate axis, and I vector is the unit vector acting along x-axis, and J vector is the unit vector acting along y-axis. As in the case of previous cos alpha plus beta, here OA is vector A and OB is vector B, which are unit vectors, and they make angles alpha. OA makes angle alpha with the x-axis, and OB makes angle beta. OB makes angle beta with the x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. Okay. OA makes angle alpha with the x-axis, and OB makes angle beta with the x-axis, and angle between A and B, that is AOB is alpha minus beta. This is alpha minus beta. This is alpha minus beta. AOB is alpha minus beta. AL and BM are the perpendiculars drawn from A and B to the x-axis respectively. Now, OA vector equal to OL plus LA. OL is the adjacent side of angle alpha, therefore this is cos alpha into I. OL is cos alpha into I. LA is also positive direction of J axis. And the J vector, positive direction of J vector. OA is cos alpha into I, and LA is cos sin alpha, because opposite side, sin alpha into J. So cos alpha into I, OL is cos alpha into I, and LA is plus sin alpha into J, because LA is in the positive direction of y axis, so parallel to J vector. Similarly, OB vector is OM plus MB. OM is adjacent side of angle beta, therefore this is OM is cos beta into I, and MB is opposite side of the triangle beta, angle beta, therefore sin beta into J. OB is cos beta into I, MB is plus sin beta into J. So A vector and B vector determined as in the case of previous case. A dot B, Y dot OB, that is A dot B mod A into mod B into cos of angle between A and B is alpha minus beta. So cos of alpha minus beta, A and B are unit vector, therefore mod A mod B are 1. So just use it cos alpha minus beta. A dot B is cos alpha minus beta. This is your left hand side. Similarly for the right hand side, you consider A dot B. A dot B equal to A is cos alpha into I plus sin alpha into J. Cos alpha into I plus sin alpha into J dot B vector is cos beta into I cap plus sin beta into J. Again by dot product, you know I dot I is 1. This is cos alpha cos beta plus into plus plus. J dot J is 1. You get sin alpha into sin beta. So A dot B, this is your right hand side. So considering left hand and right hand side, you will get A dot B equal to, what is A dot B? For the right hand, left and right are equal. Therefore left hand side is cos of alpha minus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. That's our required result. Cos alpha minus beta equal to cos alpha plus cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Using this diagram we have derived. This is the second trigonometric result. Okay. So these two results are very important, and we will continue the third result. Okay. So next third result is prove by vector method the angle in a semicircle. The angle in a semicircle is a right angle. That's our bookwork. The angle in a semicircle is a right angle. O is the center of the semicircle and AB is the diameter. Proof. O is the center of the semicircle. O is the center of the semicircle. OA, OB and OP are OA, OB and OP are radii of the semicircle, which are equal. All are equal radius R. OA, OB, OP are radii. It is equal to R. Now, PA vector equal to PO plus OA. PO vector plus OA vector. PO plus OA. Similarly, PB vector equal to PO plus OB. PO plus OB. By triangle of vector addition, I am writing these results. By triangle of vector addition in this triangle, PA vector equal to PO plus OA. And in the right angle triangle, triangle OPB, PB vector equal to PO plus OB. OA and OB are equal but in the opposite direction. This OB is, you can write as minus OA. OB, you can write it as minus OA because it is in the opposite direction of OA. Therefore, I can rewrite this OB by PO minus OA. PA vector, PO plus OA, and PB vector is PO plus OB, but OB is in the direction opposite to OA, therefore this is minus OA. So now I am taking PA dot PB, dot product of PA and PB equal to PA is PO plus OA dot PB is PO minus OA. Dot product A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square, that is PO square minus OA square. PO plus OA into PO minus OA is PO square minus OA square. A plus B into A minus B formula. You know PO or OP and OA are ready, therefore this is R square minus R square. So this is 0. So PA dot PB equal to 0 implies they are perpendicular. If a dot product of two vectors is 0, then they are perpendicular, you know. So PA dot PB equal to 0 implies PA is perpendicular to PB, PA is perpendicular to PB, therefore angle in the semicircle is a right angle. Therefore, angle in a semicircle, angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Because dot product of two vectors 0 implies they are perpendicular. PA perpendicular to PB. PA perpendicular to PB means angle APB is 90 degree. This means this implies angle APB equal to 90 degree. APB equal to 90 degree. APB equal to 90 degree, therefore angle in the semicircle is a right angle. That's all about the bookwork. Okay, and 3 results we have derived by vector method so far, and I will stop my video here and we will continue the remaining bookworks in the next video. Thank you.